Behold, the Kia. And this puppy actually tells you what it is. It is an Ev6. And we're taking the door panel apart. And you believe it's just one screw? Yes, it is. It is hidden behind this puppy right here, this little rubber. I use this puppy right here to get underneath and pop it up. One screw. Hey, look, a bee again. Get this puppy out of the way. You gotta use something like this. These clips are Kia prone, and they are prone to break, as did one of them on the bottom. And I will show you after I pulled really hard from the bottom. There is an actual notch. I'll show you when I get this thing off. And pop, 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 and lift upward. After you unplug this guy up out of your way, and you take this guy and lift him up, exposing a blue clip. Push this guy in. That's your door handle. Clip and clip. Let's get this guy out of the way. Now let's do the door mirror. Do you have to take the door panel out? Unfortunately, because this clip is right here. The door panel sits over it. So yes, you gotta pull the door panel out. If you want to try to fight it, go right ahead. You might break it. But these three 10s, and we're gonna unplug this guy. Now, we don't have to do it, but I'm gonna show you this is how you do it. All right, so with them three out, this thing's the best. You gotta squeeze this guy to pull the mirror outward. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, so this thing doesn't go fucking falling right onto the floor. We don't want that. Tis out. You see? Obviously unclip it, push the clip in, and line these puppies back up. You see? That's the whole point of it, so it doesn't fall outward. There you have it. Put the three bolts back. Obviously this is the clip. Pull outward. See? Hand first. Hand tighten first. And then you hit it with a drill. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.